This is me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be customizing 3 wigs that customers placed on my website. If you guys didn't know, we do customize color for wigs for you on my website. All you pretty much have to do is go to the website, find the customized link. I think it's under customized wig link, and you click that, and all you have to do is upload a picture of what color you want your wig, an example of what color you want your wig. So today, but guys, I'll put everything down in the description box, how to purchase a customized color wig from my website. So today guys, we're going to be doing 3 wigs that I need to get out immediately. So let's see what we have here. We have our 13 by 6 blind wig, and on the customized link guys, you can get a 13 by 6 or a 13 by 4 lace wig. So we have 3 different wigs here guys. As you can see, I'll try to get much in. So we have to do this one here, which is a 20-inch wig. We have to do this in like a baby blue color. I'll put the picture up here on the side so you guys to see what this wig is going to be customized to. So this is a 20-inch wig. Again, we'll be customizing that one. And this one here is a 28-inch wig. And I know for a fact we're doing this one like a lavender purple type wig. So this will be the first wig that I customize because this wig needs to get out immediately. The customer emailed me and told me when they needed the wig by, and I promised them a date, so I have to get it done. So we're going to customize this one first. So okay guys, let's get started. We're going to start customizing all 3 of these wigs. Yeah. Alright, let's get it done. Okay y'all, so first thing first, I'm about to spray this spray all over this lace because this is the wig I am about to color, the lavender, purple, whatever. So I'm about to color that. So I'm going to do the watercolor method. So in order for the lace not to turn colors, I have to spray the lace. So as you can see, I just showed y'all the color that I'm going to be using, and it's the Azure diet. And I'll put everything down in the description bar for what the color that I use. So I'm going to just put that color all into the water, stir it up. And mind you guys, I am using hot water. Stir it up, and then I will put the wig in there, which I thought I recorded it, but I didn't. But I just put the wig in there and, you know, let the wig sit in there until the whole thing was colored purple. Okay guys, so right now I am using this dye, and I'm gonna use this to actually bleach the knots on the purple wig. As you guys know, you can't really bleach the knots on a blind wig. You just have to kind of tone the knots on a blind wig. And mind you guys, I had got this method from the bow hold owner. I saw a video of hers and she used this color to tone her knots on a blind wig, which was great advice. Yes, I gotta give credit where credit is due. And I saw her use this color, but I must say it's kind of hard to find this color in the beauty stores or any Walmart, Walgreens, or whatever. I had to get mine from Amazon. So pretty much I'm gonna put that all over the lace, guys, and I believe I let it sit for about 10 minutes. And once I let it sit, I washed it out, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looked once it was done. Okay guys, so now that I washed it out, here is how it looked. As you can see, you don't see any more white dots. It's the lace's tone. But yeah guys, so we're gonna move on. So right now we're moving on to the second wig, which again guys, all these wigs are on my website. Well, not the purple one, but this one here is on my website. So this one here is only the tip of the wig is blue. So we pretty much going to dip just the tip of the wig into the blue. So yeah, that's all we doing on this particular wig. And I forgot to show y'all what blue did I use, but again, I'll put everything down in the description bar, the description box. And if you guys want to purchase this, of course you can purchase any wig from off my website. But the purple wig that I did was a custom color. So, and we also do custom colors. You can put in a picture and tell us how you want your wig colored, and we can definitely make it. Okay guys, so I dyed both wigs, and right now I am styling the wig. And yes guys, we do style it, we pluck it, and if there's knots need to be bleached, we bleach it. We do it all. So pretty much when you take your wig out of the packet, all you have to do is bam, put it on and cut your lace. That's it. So right now we're styling the blue wig, and then we're going to come back and style the purple wig. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of the blue wig. It came out really nice. We're going to package up this wig and send it to the customer. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is how the blue wig looked. Then we're going to move on to the purple wig. I am going to do just a little styling on the purple wig because I didn't want to make this video too long. But the purple wig, as you can see, is a side part. On our website, you can pick your parting. You can pick if you want baby hairs with or without baby hairs. So yeah, so as you can see, this wig is all done. We already curled and styled it off camera. So we just pretty much finishing it up. And I know guys, I told y'all that I was supposed to be styling 3 wigs, but unfortunately I didn't want to make this video too long. So the third wig that I colored, I will make it into a separate video, but in the meantime, here you guys go, here go this video. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of the purple wig. I'm just finishing it up. I'm spraying a little Earl Sheen on the wig. And we're going to package this wig up and send it to the customer. But definitely let me know your thoughts on the 2 wigs that I colored. And if you liked any of these wigs, you can check them out on my website. And I appreciate you guys for watching the video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.